How to make money on TikTok without going viral. Hey everyone, let's be real for a second. You don't need to go viral on TikTok to make money. That might sound wild in a world obsessed with followers and views, but it's true. Thousands of small creators, coaches, and freelancers are quietly earning steady income without chasing trends or doing dances for the algorithm. In fact, over 7 million small businesses use TikTok to drive sales because the secret isn't virality, it's systems. So, if you ever thought, I'm not viral enough to make money on TikTok, stick around. I'm about to show you 6 proven ways to turn your TikTok into real income, even with a tiny audience. TikTok has changed. It's no longer about who gets the most views. It's about who keeps their audience watching and engaged. The algorithm now favors relevance and retention. That's why micro creators are winning big in 2025. A fitness coach can land new clients with 1,000 views. A freelancer can get projects from one weekly tip video. Virality might bring followers, but connection brings customers. When you focus on serving a clear niche, you build trust, authority, and consistent income. Let's break down how. Number 1. TikTok affiliate marketing from $100 to $2,000 a month. This is perfect for side hustlers, freelancers, mompreneurs. Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote products you love, share your link, and earn commissions when people buy. Join platforms like TikTok Shop, Amazon Associates, or ClickBank. Make short, genuine videos showing how you actually use the product. Drop your affiliate link in your bio or landing page. Example: a mom reviewing baby gadgets, or a freelancer recommending AI tools. And you can also build a clean landing page on Nasio to collect leads and automate your follow-ups. Number 2, sell digital products or templates from $200 to $3,000 a month. This is also perfect for coaches, consultants, and creatives. Turn your expertise into digital products such as Notion templates, ebooks, AI prompt packs, or mini courses. Show your audience how your resource solves a problem and link it in your bio. You can use Nasio's Business OS to host, sell, and deliver your digital products. Number 3, offer services or coaching from $500 to $5,000 a month. This is perfect for freelancers, consultants, and coaches again. TikTok is the perfect top of funnel for your business. Answer frequently asked questions, share your tips, and add a clear call to action to book with you. Example: a nutrition coach posts meal prep tips, then books calls through Nasio. Nasio's AI tools capture leads, automate DMs, and even schedule sessions for you. Number 4, run paid challenges or memberships from $500 to $2,000 a month. This is also perfect for coaches, side hustlers, and mompreneurs. Run a 30-day challenge or membership like a side hustle bootcamp or fitness reset. This builds recurring revenue and community. You can run your full program on Nasio with payments, lessons, and chats all in one place. Number 5, promote your local business or niche brands from $200 to $1,000 a month. This is perfect for freelancers, local creators, and micro-influencers. Local businesses need visibility, not virality. Create short, honest videos about your favorite local cafe, gym, or brand. They'll often pay for the exposure or offer sponsorship deals. Track brand partnerships and engagement with Nasio landing pages. Number 6, TikTok UGC, user-generated content for brands. This can give you from $300 to $3,000 a month, and it's perfect for creatives and freelancers. Brands are paying creators to make authentic TikTok videos, even if you have 0 followers. You create the video, they use it as an ad, and you get paid. You can build your UGC portfolio and handle payments automatically inside Nasio. The key to monetizing TikTok is consistency and conversion. Viral videos might make noise, but consistent videos make money. TikTok rewards creators who show up regularly, post in their niche, and make it easy to take action. Every video should have a clear call to action in your bio, caption, or pinned to the comments. That's where Nasio helps. Your TikTok gets attention, and Nasio's AI turns that attention into leads, sales, and clients automatically. At the end of the day, TikTok gets you seen. But if you want to make real money, you need a system that helps you sell, scale, and repeat. That's consistency plus AI-powered customer conversion. That's how you turn short videos into long-term income. I'll drop the links below to our free blog post about how to make money on TikTok without going viral, and a free trial of Nasio so you can test this system for yourself. So let me know in the comments which TikTok monetization strategy you are going to try first. Remember, viral videos fade fast, but when you have the right system, your audience becomes your business.